episode of Cat Craziness. This is the first episode of Cat Craziness. And first, we are going to... Hello! Nope, you're not allowed to... No, you're not allowed to show your face in the camera. Because this is going to go to YouTube. And you can see there was a cat right there. Okay, let's get the blankie. Okay, we're gonna dump the cat with the blankie. Hey, get off. You're ruining cat craziness. Come on. I want to get a cat toy. Oh, you're heavy. Stop, Iona, or you're not going to be in the next cat craziness. There's a... That's the end of today's episode for Cat Craziness. Bye-bye.